Food is ready.
Is it painful? Did you take her to the hospital today?
No, I was busy today. I will do it tomorrow.
So you think her health will wait for you to be ready before you can attend to it?
Calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. This is important.
I know. At least eat your food before it gets cold.
The things you're supposed to do, you don't do them. Now come, who cooked this food?
I did. Is there any problem?
No, not at all. I just remember that I actually ate earlier on today.
Should I pack it for you to come later?
No. Just, when you're done, please arrange the table to look neat. I'm sure you can do that.
Eat your food. Daddy is tired now. Eat.
What's going on?
What's going on?
I'm talking about the way you're discriminating between Akita and Kamini. You were a mother, so how can you do such an injustice to an innocent little girl?
Hey. Hey, baby.
Hi, honey.
I'm exhausted.
Tough day?
You don't know the half of it. You know, the Ministry for Rural Development, they're trying to drain your husband, but I won't let them.
What happened?
Oh, well, His Excellency today launched 18 borehole projects in, some select towns in different local government areas, and then he put me in charge. A lot of work. But what delayed me, though, was that the wife of one of the chiefs, Sarah, offered me abacha. And I couldn't say no.
That was why you said you weren't hungry, right?
Oh, come on, babe. Now you don't have to be like that. Of course, I have a huge appetite, especially when it comes to your food. So just watch me raid your kitchen when it gets to midnight. All right. Enough about me. How did your day go?
Very well. I got to sell 12 tickets to 2 families looking to vacation with the kids in Seychelles.
Nice. Seychelles, huh? Interesting. That's in Africa, right?
It's somewhere off the coast of Africa. It's a beautiful place.
Great. Business is good.
That reminds me.
Yeah.
When are we going to take the kids vacationing?
Okay. Now that you mentioned it, I'll just, you know what? Why don't we just wait till after the borehole project? Please? You know, at least that way I can, that way I can, ask for some time off work, and it would, the leave time would just fall into Christmas, and then we all can jet off.
Yay. Sounds like a plan.
You're happy? Do I get a kiss? Yes, I get a kiss. I'm sticky. I'm out of here. Rushing out to the bathroom. You coming?
For what?
Let's get nasty, baby. Come on, I'll be waiting for you to take those clothes off.
Nasty.
You coming?
I'm coming.
Aromine na church, yeah. Madunile na yeah. Everyone needs someone to love and adore, and to show them they're one of the kind. Kedu Wayama Kedu Obima Kedu
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Oh, please, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's all right, yeah.
I'm sorry.
All right, yeah.
I hope this fits.
I'm sorry, I'm so embarrassed.
Don't be. I used to do this with my husband.
You're married?
Six interesting years. But I don't want to talk about it.
See? It fits.
Yeah. How did you know?
Lucky guess. You can have it.
I'd like to return it. But I guess I would need an address.
I hadn't been going to night in school. Yeah, Jesus. Betty, I get the second crash up for primary school. Jesus, you know, baby. Jesus. Yes. What do you say? Yes. Yeah. Yes. Jesus.
What is it?
I didn't look at our boss.
It's okay. Dubem! Dubem!
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you make my children cry?
I didn't beat them. I told them to read their books, then go to bed.
And you punished them by stopping their game?
Ma, Oga said they should read and do the assignment.
Shut up! Give me that. Idiots. Come back here. I said come back here. The next time you make my children cry, you will see Pepe. Come on, get out of my sight. Idiots.
Did you come with your original copy of your curriculum vitae?
Wow. I sure did have a nice time.
Pity. We have to go back to our spouses we don't like.
Yeah. I wish we can run away somewhere. Anyway.
Spoken like a teenager in love. So, run to where?
No. Australia?
Enjoy each moment as it passes by. And after a long day of hustling, you are there to take away all the tension.
You know, I wish we were married.
Where are you coming from by this time of the night?
You're still up.
Government business closes before 6 p.m. Look at the time.
Food. At this time.
Answer me. You think I can't smell her perfume on you?
Book Pastor Henry's ticket to South Africa.
Okay, ma.
Oh yeah, he only likes to fly South African Airways.
I remember.
And I also found that he only likes
window seat, not near the toilet.
Perfect.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, dear. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
I'm hungry.
You didn't cook at home?
Don't start.
Let's go.
All right, dear. Bye.
Alright, bye. Take care of the office, okay?
I'll be right back. God, now look at this. Oh my God. It's so pretty.
Yes, it is. This as well.
I'm sure Nick will love this. Look. Don't you think it will look good on Nick?
Whatever.
Okay, well, he likes shirts like this. Now that is what I am talking about.
Lizzie, you spend so much on your husband. Shouldn't it be the other way round?
Loretta, Nick is not just my husband. He's my best friend and my world. Look, he loves and adores me so much. No matter what I spend on him, it would never be too much. I swear, I don't know what my life would be if I had not gotten married to him.
You are so lucky.
That's even small. See, he helps me around the house and even in the kitchen, and he never complains.
That's the last thing Charles would do. After watching football, that's when he comes back home on time. He gets easily irritated by anything I do. And sometimes comes back home smelling of women.
That's your fault.
What do you mean? I gave him 2 kids. I cook for him and have his clothes washed. How is it my fault?
Loretta, you and Charles got married 3 years after us. And to be honest, you were such a hot number then. I mean, girl, you were on fire. But you kind of let yourself drift, sorry.
It comes with childbearing, you know?
Are you kidding me? I have 2 children. I mean, don't get me wrong. I know that every woman has their own body type, but in as much as men don't like to admit it, a man always wants his wife to be the same look and body shape as when he was first attracted to her.
Lizzie, you can't cheat nature. You can't.
Yes, but you can help it. Girl, look at me. Do you want to know how hard I work to keep my husband tantalized and drooling all over me? You don't want to know. And the best part, I cook all of his meals.
Is that why you never had a house help?
I have one. And I've always had a house help. I just make sure that I do all the major, chores for my husband and my kids. There's an old saying that goes, the way to a man's heart is his stomach. You miss that, you miss everything.
My case is different. My husband prefers the maid's cooking to mine.
That's a big, fat mistake.
Please, we can't all be as perfect as you and your husband. Enough.
nice dress.
Yes, it is.
But what do you think about this for Charles?
Don't he look handsome in it? Let's go.
What did I say, Loretta?
You promised to take me to the cinema.
Did I?
You forgot.
Oh, sorry, I skipped my mind.
Do you even remember you have a wife?
Loretta, I'm not in the mood for all of this right now, okay? Nagging and, it's not...
In the mood for what? What am I doing? You are doing it all by yourself. Frolicking with women all over.
Really?
Yes.
Have you looked at the mirror lately? Now, have you just by chance passed the mirror? Just by chance. All you do is eat. Eat. And eat. You disgust me. Look at your nails, your hair, your dressing. So, you feel that I will be proud to carry you out there and say, this is my wife. And then you'll be there proud.
Is that my fault?
No, it's my fault.
Why can't you be like your friend Nick? Huh? He is the embodiment of a true husband. God's perfect gift to a woman. Every woman's dream. Why can't you be like him?
You know, you are right. You are very right. But you also use the key word there, woman. Are you a woman? Do you even feel like a woman? You just read my mind. I was actually going to send you to go and meet Nick's wife, a woman, a real woman, to teach you how to be a good wife and a good mother. And a woman. Instead of you standing here looking like my late grandmother. Cheese balls. Must be true.
As you know, I have done 2 successive terms.
Two exemplary terms, Your Excellency, if you'll allow me add.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
As you can see, my greatest fear is continuity. Will all my good works go down the drain, or will it be sustained by the next tenant of this building?
Well, Your Excellency, I do believe that...
That was a rhetorical question, my dear. However, finding a successor is even more important to me than anything else.
Your Excellency, if you would please allow me say this, I do believe that there are men of proven records, that can step in when you leave office. That shouldn't be a problem.
Shut up, Nick. Don't dampen my enthusiasm, I know you are not hearing me. I want somebody who is far better than me. someone who is both humble and respectable. More importantly, one with sound leadership skills and charisma. I've looked everywhere, and no one fits the bill except you. Yes, you heard me right.
Your Excellency, you... Barely a year ago, Your Excellency, you skipped a lot of my superiors and made me a commissioner in this state. Your Excellency, I am yet to recover from that. I don't know how you expect me to handle this.
Nick, in less than 1 year, you keep surprising everybody with your hard work. In fact, I want you to realize that you are easily the best performing commissioner in my cabinet. In fact, I am very proud of you.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency.
Just say yes, and I will make you the next governor of this state on a platter of gold. And I am very confident that you will not disappoint me and the state.
Your Excellency, I don't know what to say.
Nice shot, Your Excellency.
Not yet, Charles. Not yet.
So,
yes.
What did you tell him?
Well, I told him that that I would have to think about this one.
You would have to think about this one.
Yes.
Look, if I advise you as a brother, this is one opportunity you have to jump on. So many people would kill to have what you have right now.
I understand that, Charles. And as tantalizing as the offer may seem, I need to remind you, my friend, that when it comes to politics, I'm still a novice, you know.
Well, that's not important. Look, you have the backing of a two-time governor. That's all you need. All you need. Besides, when you get into the game, you would understand the ropes and how to play the game better. Me? I'm ready to quit my job to support you full-time.
Really, you would?
I'll quit it with speed. Just say
How nice of you, my friend. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you so very much. But like I said, I will think about this one.
You better think about it. It'll enter your brain and help you think.
Climbing the mountain, sailing the waters, deep in the flow.
Nick, you have a very big heart, you know.
Why would you say that, Charles? Huh? Are you now a surgeon? How did you know?
It's easy.
Yes.
I mean, the way you took her back after everything.
That. I think I'm the lucky one here, you know. She took me back. Charles, you see that woman right there? She's my everything. You know, that woman right there completes me in every area of my life. She's my soulmate. So yes, I tell you that I got lucky. Because sometimes I sit back, my friend, and I think deeply of what life would have been without Lizzie. I tell you, it would have been miserable.
You can imagine what life would be like when you finally become governor. The governor of the state. Now that is fulfillment. A feeling that you have never felt before.
You think?
Yeah.
Nah.
Oh, yeah.
I think you're wrong, Charles. Believe me when I tell you you're wrong. You see, Lizzie, that is the center of my world. So give me Lizzie anytime, any day, and take the government house. I really don't care. I would still be the happiest man alive, I tell you. Right? That's my world right there.
Withdraw that statement.
Oh my goodness. The Godfather, good to see you, sir.
Thank you.
Good to see you, sir.
Godfather. Thank you. I saw your family back there.
Yeah.
Lucky bastards.
Are they?
So lucky to have you.
I am lucky to have them as well.
And speaking of which, I have a message from the governor.
Oh, really?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Nick?
Godfather.
You know you are our best chance at winning the next election if you pick up the party ticket.
Thank you very much, Godfather. I am really humbled by your vote of confidence.
Yes.
But the thing is, no one has told me yet who I'll be running against, just in case I choose to do this at the end of the day.
You tell him, Charles.
Oh, yeah. Jerry Okoye is his name.
Jerry Okoye, I don't know him.
He's an architect. He spent over 20 years of his life in the USA. And I must say, he's rich. Very rich.
Okay. With that kind of CV, Godfather, how do I compete with this man?
You relax. That's why I am here. Together, with your political innocence and my more than 30 years tough experience, and of course the governor's backing, we will secure you a very sound victory.
Don't give me that look. I mean, he said it all, and yeah, I believe him. So, you should believe him too.
I have told you before. Now let this be the last time you would ever go close to my phone, my laptop, or anything that has a screen. Stay away.
Stupid woman.
Look, Charles, I understand how you feel, okay? But you also need to understand that she's a woman and she's your wife. You as the husband would need, Charles, to learn how to go easy on her.
Well, I don't think you'll understand. You don't understand. This frustrates my every action in trying to be a good husband to her. I mean, why would she even go through my phone in the first place? Huh? Why?
He chats with women on the phone, even deep into the night. Who does that?
She even had the guts to pick my phone and call my female friends to warn them. What boldness.
One of them had the guts to call me an old woman. If Charles had not given her the authority, she wouldn't dare say that to me.
Charles did not give her or any other woman the authority to insult you. Okay, she's just rude and disrespectful. That is all there is to her. Listen, sometimes we just have to turn a blind eye to the things that our husbands do. Else, we'll end up on hospital beds. And guess what? They'll still continue their lifestyle, so...
Lizzie, you are not in my shoe. If Nick was a womanizer, you wouldn't be saying this now.
Nick is not a saint, but he's my devil.
That's so sweet.
Listen, we've been through hell to get to where we are today. It's never been easy.
Sometimes I just hate him so much.
Please don't cry. Hey, Loretta, it's okay. Come on. Loretta, you'll be fine. You'll be all right. This too shall pass. Sorry. I'm sorry.
You see, Mercy has connections. The right one. She's connected around diplomats.
Not important, Charles.
So what's more important than your election?
Your wife. You hear me? Every other thing comes after your wife. She comes first. Before anyone, she comes first. Before anything. Do you understand?
I have your best alcohol in the house. Would you like it chilled or you just want it straight?
No, I'd rather we go in and you talk to your wife and fix things.
You forget you're still a young man sometimes.
Do the right thing, Charles. Age regardless. Out with it.
Out with what?
Oh, you've been staring at me funny for a while now, so out with it, I'm listening.
It's nothing. I mean, I just think it's funny how you and Charles are best friends, yet so different.
He's who he is, and I'm who I am.
Didn't they say that birds of the same feathers flock together?
I'm quite aware you know the implication of what you've just said, Liz.
Yes, I do. I mean, if you're not influencing him, Nick, I wonder if he's influencing you.
Are you insinuating that I am cheating on you with other women?
I didn't say that. I just wonder what your role is in all of Chelsea's crimes.
He's an adult. Liz, stop it. He's an adult. So he has the rights to live his life, whichever way he chooses. He has the rights to do what he pleases, go what he wants, do what he wants, go wherever he pleases, whatever and however. He does not need my permission.
So you won't stop him? You won't even try?
And how is it my business how he lives his life?
Well, make it your business, husband. Because no woman is happy to know that her husband's best friend is a womanizer.
Aromine na church, yeah. Madunile na po, yeah. Everyone needs someone to love and adore, and to show them they're one of a kind. Kedu Wayama Kedu Obima Kedu
Why did you not eat?
He's not hungry.
Is he fasting?
Eat your food.
It's okay, baby.
I should know better. I'm sorry.
It's okay, baby. I shouldn't have gotten so angry myself, Liz. I'm sorry too.
I promise it won't happen again, okay?
I believe you. I believe you. Hey. You know I love you, right? You know I do love you. I just thought I'd remind you.
Thank you.
That my love for you will be eternal.
Thank you, babe. I love it. I love you. Thank you. I love you too.
I love you more, darling.
Come, let's go inside.
Of course.
Sweet, huh? Like it. Is it nice?
Are you good?
Mm-hmm.
Babe. You know we've really come a long way.
Yes, we have. I mean, this is a new chapter in our lives. 4 months ago, you were just a civil servant. But just look at you today.
You know, I don't even know what to expect anymore.
Don't worry about it, okay? Don't worry about it. What's the worst that can happen? Shh. Don't answer that. Let's just keep praying. God is leading us somewhere. I can feel it.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
So Nick, you're a good guy. But in this part of the world, things are done differently.
So are you saying that good guys don't win elections?
No. The good guys win the elections. But you need the bad guys to do your dirty jobs. You understand?
I see. So what are you planning?
I have an idea.
I'm listening. just stay here? Just stay here and lock the door. I'll be back. I'll be back.
Careful.
You said nothing is missing.
Nothing is missing.
But Nick, I think we need to post some officers around your home until after the election.
Godfather, thanks for your concern, but in all honesty, I don't think that would be necessary for now.
You know, it's politics. And of course, you know there are a lot of bad elements in it. Very bad elements.
Nick?
It's okay. It's fine, okay? Relax, everything is all right.
Everything is all right, madam. You just relax. Take it easy.
Godfather, you would agree with me that this won't be worth it if my family would have to live in fear.
Nick, think about the millions your tenure will help. And the continuity the governor craves. You see, this is just a little sacrifice for the greater good.
Yes, Godfather, that's very true, but no one ever said anything about my family's life being in danger, and that worries me.
Oh, come on. It will pass. Tomorrow is the primaries, and that's a mere formality. For sure, you will emerge, and then we prepare for the next stage. Okay?
Godfather, good morning.
Hi, Charles.
I got your message. What happened?
Oh, come on, Charles. Everything is under control. Everything is under control. You talk to your friend, Charles. We're going.
Did you at least see their faces?
Charles, did you sleep at home last night?
Look, that's not why I'm here, okay? I came because you called and I got your message and I rushed out of the house to come and see you and make sure that everything is okay.
Great. Let's talk inside.
Look, my friend, that's not why I came here.
Right, move it. Get up. Move it. Get up. Get up. Out. I said get up. Move it! Move it!
He has been described as one of the fast-rising government officials who rumors says the governor himself has picked to succeed him. Reports suggest that his adoption may be the handwork of his political opponent, who fears he would have a landslide victory at the forthcoming Gobar election. Our correspondent attempts to speak with his wife has yielded no results.
fine?
I'm a pin and needle.
I know. But everything will be fine, okay?
I need my husband back home.
You know, I spoke with the police commissioner. And they guarantee me that he's alive. And he's safe. That's a huge stepping stone.
Please. I want him back home. Right now. His children miss him.
It's okay. I'll be on my toes till he comes back. He's my best friend. And I'll do everything humanly possible to make sure that he's back alive and healthy. We cannot have you roaming the streets when we have able hands working on this situation. Okay? Thank you. And make sure you eat. You're beginning to down. You will like it.
Leave no stone unturned. Comb everywhere until Nick is found. Remember, no one sleeps. Wake up, everybody, because this is a trying moment in my life.
Yes, Your Excellency, sir.
You may leave.
You know, your wife has a sweet voice.
What do you want?
You people think money is everything.
Who do you work for? Answer me.
You want to know who we work for? We work for you.
Your Excellency, this is a sad news. I was visiting my sister and her husband when I heard the news.
Jerry, when those behind this crime are found, I will let the full arm of the law and the powers of my office descend on them like the heavens, no matter who they are.
I know how this looks, that his disappearance have cleared the way for me. But I can't do that, because I know all fingers will still point back at me.
Jerry, no one has accused you of any crime you know.
I know it's either my enemies are at work or just normal kidnappings for ransom.
Well, whatever it is, I consider it a crime. And the perpetrators have crossed the line with this one, and they have automatically become the enemies of the state.
Come.
Just study just.
Come.
Brother, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine.
Bring him. How much?
15 naira.
Bring.
Think 100.
Two. Okay, 100. I bring my own. Hey! It is sweet.
Ha! What's in this now?
Brother, what is it?
I don't like this. Bring another one.
Brother, bow. My mother counted it.
That's what I beg. I don't like this.
How old are you?
Don't touch me.
As per what? Be Beyonce?
Brother, please pay me my money. Let me go.
The only money on that after. See what you give me.
We will pay you.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Nisha drug him.
Tell you, I can't Apollo.
Nisha drug him.
I'm going to tell my mother.
Don't collect your money now.
You gotta tell your mother.
Go tell what. Get out.
I thought you want to go and call better person.
Forget this girl.
Guy, you don't finish
this girl. They lock you.
So like this, you tell no pay this girl. You be witch.
I go wooz you. No, they talk that kind of nonsense.
These are nonsense.
You pay?
Let's stop.
I beg eat.
We need to pinpoint the right location fast. This is not interesting anymore.
I think I should just sleep. If you see any suspicious movement, just wake me up. I better call that girl.
Hey! Come. What is wrong? Did you lose money?
Some boys bought my oppa and refused to pay me.
Where are they?
That place, number 18.
I better give this girl 100 and let her go now.
Take.
Bro, thank you.
What? Let's go to number 18.
Why?
There is nothing to do. Let's kill time with that. Start the vehicle.
I come here, I'm a boy. Forget. Let's go for our mother. Why is that? What is that? Hey! Officer, I never used this morning. Where will they go, officer? Officer, back. I have the money for them. I have the money for the officer. I have the money.
What's in this place? What's in this here, my friend?
I don't know. Me, I never come this side.
Open this door, my friend. Open this door.
You get key? You asking me? No,
Hello.
Boy, don't go looking for trouble.
no problem.
You hear me?
I no go try am at all.
Yeah, you go.
Thank you, officer. Thank you. Thank you.
It's over. I understand, sir. We will need more men. Honorable sir, are you okay?
Yes, thank you very much. I'm fine. Get up!
I missed you, Mom. Everything's fine, okay? Baby. Are you okay? It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. Thank you.
Well, you're welcome back home, sir. His Excellency has had the good news. The boys confessed. And it was Jerry who hired them Jerry. Well, you will be running almost unopposed now. The other political parties don't have any solid candidate. They don't. You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. Can we all at least, go inside?
Yes. Wonderful.
Wonderful job. Thank you. Wonderful. Thank you. Let's go inside.
There is no way I can call my wife. You don't do anything for me. You don't take me anywhere. I take care of you. I want you. I just have to deal with me. Unless you want to know where you're going to say. You don't take care of me. You don't take me anywhere. So I take care of you. You don't like this. You don't like this. Don't make your information. You don't take me anywhere. I take care of you. You don't like this. I take care of you. What does you want for me? What does you want for me?
Calm down. You guys need to calm down, please. We're not making any headway with this argument. Mr. Charles, as the head of the family, you need to be in charge of the affairs of the family. You need to show love, respect to your wife. You need to be in charge of the affairs of the family. You don't need a third party in your marriage. If not, there will be a problem. And for you, ma'am, you need to be very attractive for him. You need to love him very much. If not, he will look outside for other girls. And that will be a problem in your family. Above all, you need love, respect, perseverance, endurance, trust.
Do something.
My wife. She's not perfect. In fact, she's horrible. My wife. I also played a role in all this trouble. I can't do this anymore. We both knew this was going to happen someday.
Can I at least hug you this last time?
mercy.
Hello. Perfect.
What's the occasion?
I've put the kids to bed so we can have time together. Thank you. After this meal, we go up together and have a hot bath.
And
I can't believe I promised you. Come on, take this out. Cheers, right? Cheers to what? Beautiful life, beautiful marriage.
Arumine nacho ya. Madunile na o ahaya. Everyone needs someone to love and adore, and to show them they're one of a kind. Kedu Wayama Kedu Obima